I don't know why WebAssign does it like this, but there's this value of A, and they want you to plug in that value of A here. Why can't they just have the computer automatically do that for you? But that's what they want you to evaluate. So to do that, you're supposed to plug in 1 plus h into our function for x. So in here, the instantaneous slope, the tangent slope, is going to be the square root of 1 plus h plus 8 minus f of 1. So that just means what's the result when you plug in 1 in here? 1 plus 8 is 9, and the square root of 9 is 3. Okay, so to evaluate this limit, it's the limit as h goes to 0. Sometimes algebraically we can make the h cancel out. On this one though, okay, I had to pause the video and try some stuff out because I actually don't remember this one off the top of my head. But one of our tricks, one of our algebra tricks we have in our tool belt is to multiply by the conjugate. And, the numerator simplifies to be h plus 9 minus 3 over h. So I'm going to multiply this entire fraction by the square root of h plus 9 plus 3 over the same thing. Got to multiply it by 1, so it's got to be the same on top as on bottom, or else we're not talking about the same expression. And look, the sign is different. Okay, that's an algebra trick to make things cancel out, and then maybe we can evaluate the limit. Because if you do this times this, it's a 1/2 power times a 1/2 power, so that makes h plus 9 to the first power. And then the point of multiplying by the conjugate by having different signs in the centers to make the middle terms cancel out. So I got 3 times h plus 9 subtracted by 3 times h plus 9. So those are perfectly canceled out. And then you have a negative 3 times a positive 3, so that makes a negative 9 here at the end. And then on the bottom it gets a little messier. Look, this is an h multiplied to everything. Let's keep it factored because I think I see what's going to happen. Look, I have this h, it's multiplied to everything in the denominator of the other fraction. Okay, so this 9 minus 9 cancels out. You've got an h on top and then an h on bottom that's factored, so those can cancel out. So you've got 1 over the square root of h plus 9 plus 3. So now we don't have a divide by 0 error if we evaluate this limit, right? You can plug in 0. 0 plus 9 is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So it's 1, 6. Okay. So at x equals 1, the slope is 1, 6. I'm just checking with another technique. Yep. Okay, that's right. So part B, find the equation of the tangent line. So the equation of the tangent line, you need a y equals mx plus b equation. So we have the slope of the tangent line. To find the y-intercept, you want to plug in a point, and when x equals 1, that's the location of our tangent line. The y value we get out of here is 3. 1 plus 8 is 9, square root of 9 is 3. So we should be able to plug in 3 for y, 1 for x, subtract that 1/3 from both sides, so that's 2 and 5, 6, which is 12, so that's 17 over 6. So it looks like 17 over 6. There's our equation.